Good. Push her out a little bit with your inside leg. Good. That's fine. Good. And be prepared with your leg coming up to the cross rail. Good. Squeeze. That's fine. What a good jump. Good. Nice and balanced coming in. And just ride the rhythm. Good. Look through your turn. Take a breath. Nice and relaxed coming up. Support with your leg. Good. Big pats. Good. You remember to think about those thumbs being on top, even when you're focusing on jumping.
Not having monkey paws.
Preferably, yeah. Catch that shoulder. Good. Support with your leg. Good. That was fine. Good. Just keep your pace nice and steady. Ride all your steps. Watch that shoulder. Good. Eyes up and opening left rein. Good. And that was really good support. Oh, you could totally, yeah. Yeah, it keeps her slower. So easy coming in. Easy and eyes, leg. Good, fine, fine, fine. Good, nice and balanced. So, take a breath, easy. And now keep your leg on through the turn. Don't let her whoa quite so much. Leg. Good, 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 much better. Yeah? Nice and balanced in your step. Take a breath. Good, balance. Think about your turn now. Good, keep your canter. Support with your leg now. Leg, leg, leg. Good. Squeeze. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Good. Good job. Good balance. Good. Now keep your eyes up and find something to look at. Support with your leg, support with your leg. So, Esbrav, good job. Good, take a breath, easy. And leg, 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 leg. Whoop. You okay?
Yep.